Hi, in this session we shall be looking at few more problems on multiplication and division of mixed fractions. In this question we are given three terms in this expression, three mixed fractions. Let us multiply them. So how are we going to do this? We are going to convert them to their improper fractions first. So 3 1 by 2 will be 7 by 2 times 1 4 by 7 will be 11 by 7 times 1 1 by 3 will be 4 by 3. Can you simplify it here? Yes, you can cancel 7 and 7. You know 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 gives you 4. So this should give you 11 times 2 is 22 upon 3, which on simplification you can write it as 7 1 by 3, the mixed fraction. Let us see this question where we have three terms and we are dividing all the three terms together. So how are we going to solve this? We are first going to convert these mixed fractions to their improper fractions. So what is 1 3 by 4? 1 3 by 4 is 7 by 4 divided by 3 2 by 3 is 11 by 3 divided by 3 1 by 3 is 10 by 3. Now whenever we are given an expression with some brackets, first we solve those brackets or the expression that is within the brackets. So let us first solve that. That will be 7 by 4 divided by 11 by 3. Now this division symbol will be replaced by multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 3 by 10. Can you simplify it here? Yes, you can cancel 3 and 3 here. That will leave you with 7 by 4 divided by 11 by 10. Right? Now how can we simplify it? We are just going to convert this 7 by 4, convert this division to multiplication by taking the reciprocal here, that is 10 by 11. How can we simplify it? 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 5 gives you 10, that will give you 35 by 22. You can as well leave it here, or you can write a mixed fraction for this, which is 113 by 22. Right? So solving these kind of questions is quite simple. Multiplications and divisions, it's just that we have to convert them, that is the mixed fractions, to their improper fractions and solve as usual. Let us look at another a few set of questions here. Say I have 1 1 by 4 multiplied by 10 and a half divided by 1 and a half. Now whenever you have expressions involving both multiplication and division, we have a rule in mathematics which is called as BODMAS rule. BODMAS. BODMAS rule. B stands for brackets. If you have any, if your expression has any brackets, then you first solve the expression that is within the brackets of, then division, first solve division, then go for multiplication, and then addition and subtraction as in the same order. Right? First division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. This rule is called as a BODMAS rule, and you can remember it with this abbreviation. Now for this expression we have 1 1 by 4 times 10 and a half divided by 1 and a half. Let us first convert them to their normal improper fractions. 1 1 by 4 is 5 by 4 multiplied by 10 and a half is 10 times 2 is 20, so this will be 21 by 2 divided by 1 and a half is 3 by 2. So first, as we have discussed, we are going to solve the division first and then go for multiplication, because division comes first and then comes multiplication, right? So if we have 5 by 4 multiplied by 21 by 2, whenever you have division symbol, replace it by multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the second expression. Can you solve it here? Yes, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. So now you have 5 by 4 multiplied by 7 by 1. And you can simplify this. 5 times 7 is 35 by 4 by 1 is 4. or you can write it in terms of mixed fraction. 35 by 4 will give you 8 3 by 4. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 3 gives you 35. So this is 35 by 4 is 8 3 by 4. You understood? So whenever we have expressions involving both multiplication and division, we are expected first to solve division and then go for multiplication. Let us look at this example. 1 2 by 9 divided by 2 and a half multiplied by 1 7 by 8. Now you have both division and multiplication. First do the division. So this is 1 2 by 9. Let us first convert them to their improper fractions. 1 2 by 9 is 11 by 9 divided by 2 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 multiplied by 1 7 by 8 is 15 by 8. Right? Now let us first do the division. So 11 by 9, it is, keep it as it is. Replace the division symbol by multiplication by taking the reciprocal here, 2 by 5 multiplied by 15 by 8. Can you solve this expression here? No, you cannot. This because 11 and 5 and 2 are all prime numbers. So now let us go for the whole expression. 11 times 2 times 15 by 9 times 5 times 8. Can you solve this whole expression here? Yes. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15, and 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 gives you 9. So you are you end up with this fraction 11 by 12. Now is this a proper fraction or an improper fraction? This is a proper fraction because numerator is less than the denominator. You cannot further convert it into any mixed fraction. So you can leave your answer here. So this expression has an answer 11 by 12, which is a proper fraction. Now let us look at this. 5.5 divided by 1.5 times 1 by 10. Now because you have brackets here and you know B stands for brackets, the first thing that you have to solve is the expression that is within the brackets. So you can write this as 5.5 divided by 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 10 is 11 by 10, or 5.5 can be written as 11 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 times 11 by 10. Can you simplify this further? No, 3 and 11 and 2 are all prime numbers. You cannot simplify them further. So we will write it as 33 upon 20. 2 times 10 is 20. 11 times 3 is 33. Now can you simplify this? Yes. So we have 11 by 2. Division is replaced by multiplication, and we are going to take the reciprocal here, 20 by 33. Now 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 10 is 20. 11 times 1 is 11, 11 times 3 is 33. That will leave you with 10 by 3. This is an improper fraction, so you can reduce this to mixed fraction. You can write it as 3 1 by 3.